So this is the best way to massage your lower back. You may have tried to do this with a foam roller before, but it's kind of bulky and laying on the ground, it just gets a little bit awkward and actually can kind of make your back hurt even more being in that position sometimes. Excuse me, I just swallowed something weird. So what you want to do is grab a lacrosse ball, or this is actually a practice lacrosse ball, which is a little bit squishier and softer. So if it's a little bit more sensitive, you want to go with this. This is a game ball, which is pretty firm. So basically, the idea is, if this is my spine right here, okay, I'm going to put the ball on either side of it. So I'm going to do a little bit of work over here. I'm going to do a little bit of work over here, but I'm not going to go directly on the middle of my spine, right on the bones, because that's not really going to do much, and it's just going to be kind of uncomfortable. The other thing that I can do is toward the base of my spine, I can run this along my pelvis and the top of my glutes. That's also usually going to cause or make you have a little bit of relief and cause a little bit of relaxation happening there. So all you're going to do is take whichever ball you want, right? The firmer ball is going to be a little more intense, so depending on if you're ready for that, you're going to stick it against the wall and just lean in like a bear scratching his back on a tree, okay? So it's not rocket science. You do not need a massage degree to do this. I'm just going to ignore the truck outside. And all you're doing is just going side to side on some of those spots that feel pretty stiff and uncomfortable, okay? You can work that ball up, right, going up this way. And again, this kind of area on the top of the glute is all fair game. Again, if your back is kind of stiff and sore, this is one of the best things that you can do. Spend 2, 3, 4 minutes per side. Take one of these to work if you need to. Do a little bit there. And especially because the tissues there is pretty resilient, and especially if you're using a little bit of a softer ball, you can do this multiple times a day, and there's really no risk of overdoing it or kind of bruising that tissue and stuff like that. So again, give it a try if you have an issue with this, and I'm pretty sure you will find a little bit of relief.